Animal Groups, written by James Brushak. Let's take a look at 5 animal groups: fish, reptile, amphibians, bird, mammal. How are animals in a group the same? Fish must live in water. Fish have gills that help them breathe. We have fish, a fin, eye, mouth, gill, fin. Fish have fins and tails. Those help them swim. Fish can be many shapes and sizes. Can you find a fish in this picture? Reptiles. Reptiles can live on land. Some like to be in water. Reptiles have scales on their skin. Eyes, legs, tail, and their scales. Many reptiles hatch from eggs. Snakes cannot walk. They do not have legs. This snake slides its long body on the grass. Amphibians. Amphibians spend time both on land and in water. They do not have scales. Their skin is wet. So an amphibian's eye, wet skin, and legs. Amphibians hatch from eggs. Tadpoles hatch and grow to be frogs. See tadpoles? There's a frog. Birds. A bird has feathers and wings. This bird's eyes are on the side of its face. His eye, his bill, his wing, and his feathers. Many birds can fly. Some can run or swim fast. Birds hatch from eggs. This hen made a nest for its eggs. Mammals. Mammals can be many shapes and sizes. They have hair on their skin, eyes, their hair, legs, and a tail. A mammal mom can make milk for its baby. Lots of mammals live on land, but some live in water. Did you know that you are a mammal too? The end.